Hello, my name is City, Director of Clothes Fit. Have you ever seen a great clothing design but in a color you don't like? Clothes Fit is an app where people can customize clothes in ways never seen before with exclusive contracts with many prominent fashion brands. Some key problems are that some people may want to use clothes as a way to express themselves, but certain brands don't have the style or design that they want. Another problem could be that it might not be in the same size that they want. Sometimes people would like baggy clothes or tight clothes, but the specific design doesn't come in that specific size. The last problem is that sometimes they see a design that they want, but in the wrong color. Say you have a nice graphic t-shirt that was black, but instead of buying it, you don't because you wanted it in purple. So, Clothes Fit is mainly for teenagers, young adults, and regular adults, not really the elderly, but they can buy it if they want. Males and females alike could use Clothes Fit, and since they're sold at reasonable prices, you don't have to be wealthy to use this site. Our geographic segment would be that customers who live in America, as Clothes Fit's not an international company and it only sells in the United States. People that like to express themselves by their clothing would benefit greatly from Clothes Fit. Also, people that are stylish and like streetwear. Also, people that like to buy clothes a lot would use Clothes Fit, especially because it's not that expensive, so you would be able to buy it frequently. With Clothes Fit, customers can take other designs from popular companies and add their own style, like changing the colorway or add/take off something on the clothing item. This allows customers to be able to get the exact clothes they want and at a relatively reasonable price. Some solutions to the problems I listed before was that for the colorway, you can install a myriad of colors to apply designs to change them once the customer has the colorway via the website or app. Also, sewers can also print the clothes at a bigger size so that if people desired baggier clothes or just bigger than their largest size, they could just modify the size via our sizing options that are built to accommodate even the largest person on earth. People can also create their own designs or tweak an already established design if they so please using Clothes Fit, so they will be able to express themselves with their clothing in any way they want. From our channels, we'll get clothes from different clothing companies through exclusive contracts like Fashion Nova, PacSun, and Romway. Also, we would buy our own fabric and cloth from different companies to make our own clothes, as we're not going to rely on just all on other companies. We'd also buy dye so that we could apply color to the clothes. Also, we would have an advertisement section on our page. For people to get to know us through television ads and social media posts. Some key metrics, it would be amount of clothing items sold, customer satisfaction, and customer retention rate. Measuring the amount of clothing items sold tells us how well the company is doing with selling the products. This is a main factor in our profit, so the more clothes we sell, the better, and it would be best to measure this monthly so that we could review these metrics on a consistent basis. For our customer satisfaction, we would like to know if Clothes Fit was well liked and if the service we provided satisfied the customers. This would help us know where we are doing well and what we would need to change. It would be best to put a survey at the end of every order so that if customers wanted to, they could fill out the survey. Customer retention rate measured how many customers continue to use our website, as it's a good indicator of if customers are satisfied with Clothes Fit, and this would also be best measured monthly. For our revenue streams, they help us determine our gross profit margin, as it's revenue minus cost of goods sold over the revenue. Clothes Fit will make money through the clothes that we sell, and we'll send out clothes that people design as an alternative to buying clothes that don't have the design that they want. We'll also have a subscription option where people will get one free clothing item per month, and will also get free shipping on every order as an incentive for people to subscribe. Also, Companies that sell accessories like jewelry or sell shoes or stuff that's related to clothing that we don't sell could advertise their companies on on our website, and they could pay us to do that. So that would also generate a profit for ClothesFit. For our cost structure, our biggest startup cost would be a facility, which would be roughly 1.2 million. A payroll for employees, which would be 600,000 per year, and utilities, which would be about 80,000 per year. We would need to pay a lot of money for a big enough location in order to design clothes, and then we would need multiple designers to apply the designs from a website to real life. We would also need the supplies for the clothes and the design options. My top 3 fixed costs would be wages, which would be roughly 600,000 a year. Maintenance which would be 80,000 a year, and office supplies, which would be 30,000 a year. I would have to pay a lot of money to my employees for their wages, and office supplies would be needed in order to keep the business running smoothly, and we would need maintenance to keep the facility in order. Some variable costs would be advertising, which would be roughly about 2.2 million a year, which would be pretty big, as we want to get our brand out there. Sales commission, which would be about 400,000 per year, and employee bonuses, which would be about 500,000 biannually. Employee bonuses every 6 months would be to reward them for their hard work and as an incentive for our workers to work hard. Also, we would need advertising expenses in order to market our company and bring in more profit. Some competitive advantages we have was that we offer a service where customers can take clothes from popular fashion sites and add their own design or modify the clothing items. And through this, no other company offers this service, especially because we have an exclusive contract with said companies. And that way, whenever someone wants to make an edit to a clothing item that they really like, they would be able to use ClothesFit. Because of those, thank you for your time. With ClothesFit, people would be able to make designs to clothes they like if they didn't like the original design. This would usher in a new era of clothing design that would have numerous benefits.